Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Oh, it's pirate science. Hold on. I gotta get my pirate hat. Hold on. Here we are. Much better. Okay. How we doing today, guys? So we're coming down to the end. We have just a couple weeks of school left. So that's fun. So today will be, I think, our last pirate science of the year. We've done a lot of these. Oh my goodness. And then next week will be our last coding with Captain. And then it'll just be the summer break, you know? So that'll be cool. Let's see. We got, because there's no elective, there's no specials last week of school. So yeah, we just got 2 more weeks together. That's exciting. Okay, so we got Minecraft today at 1 o'clock, and we're going to do a little bit of fun today. We're going to kind of, we've been, in Pirate Science this year, we've been talking a lot about light and waves and things like that, right? We did pinhole cameras, we talked about focal length, things like that. Last week, what did we do? Oh, last time we did Pirate Science, we made these guys. We made these 3D glasses out of tape and Crayola markers. So that was a good one. That was a lot of fun. Go check out that one. That was an easy build. And today we have another super easy build. If you are like me, and you maybe don't have perfect vision, maybe you wear glasses, or maybe your vision is just not quite as perfect as it could be. And even if you do have good vision, you can do today's trick to make your vision even better. What is that? We're going to find out. Okay, so it has to do with light. It has a little bit to do with aperture, if you remember that, right? The size of the hole of a camera, the aperture. You're going to need some stuff today. You're going to need some cardboard, and you are going to need something to cut the cardboard. I here have some just handy dandy scissors. And then you're going to need to have one of these guys. Ooh, a small little nail. You could maybe use a really sharp pencil or a thumbtack. I just happen to have this really small little nail here. And this is a very easy build today. So let's just get right to it. We're going to build something that will help us see better. Here we are. Got our cardboard, and we're gonna just cut a piece, maybe like the size, like a like 4 inches by 4 inches, something like that. Let's get cutting. Gonna trim this top part right off. There we go. Cut this guy in half. Oh, wait, I just had an idea. Let's not cut it in half. Let's just leave it this big, and then we'll do 2, so we can have 1 for each eye. We're gonna make an eye patch today, but maybe glasses would be better. Okay, this is super easy today. All we have to do, we take our little nail and we put it on the cardboard where we want our eye. We're just gonna look. The goal for today is to look through a very tiny hole. We're just gonna look. We'll put our eye right up to it and look through the tiny hole, and that's and it is going to, I would say by magic, make our vision better. But we know that this is pirate science. We're not doing magic, so it's got to be by science. We're going to improve our vision. So let's take our piece of cardboard. We're gonna put it right on the hole here, and we're just Push it through. Push it through. There we go. There we go. So we just like push that nail right through. And I could wiggle it around to make it a little bigger, but I don't want to do that. I just want to have a nice straight hole. We'll pull that nail out, put it somewhere safe where we won't step on it later. Then, if you have glasses, you're going to want to take your glasses off. And you're going to want to take your, close one eye and look around. Now, if you have bad vision like me, then I have really bad vision. So right now, everything looks a little fuzzy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close one eye. I'm going to take the hole and I'm going to put it right up to the hole. And I'm going to look around. I'm going to be like, wow, things look a lot better through the hole. Things look, it's a little dark. It's dark because not a lot of light can go through the hole. Oh my goodness, look how much cooler that is. I can see things. Let's try the other eye. I'm going to cover up my other eye. And I'm going to put the hole up to my other eye here. And oh yeah, look. Not bad. It's not perfect vision. Not perfect, but I definitely can see things better. Taking off my glasses as everything looks fuzzy. Okay, let me put my glasses back on here. There we go. Now I can see much better because the glass. So what happens is a couple things. What happens? What gives us bad vision? And what causes our vision to become better? Right? Let's do some investigating here. Okay. So let me go to our Chrome. Okay, here we are, MrIncorvia.com, the internet's best place for all kinds of fun STEM activities. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to here, hold on, let me switch over to my Google accounts here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Chrome. Okay, let's make a Google drawing just so that I can show you guys what goes on. Okay, so here we go. We're going to make an eyeball. Here is an eyeball. Okay. And let us make some more shapes here. Okay, there's our eyeball. Now, we're actually looking at this eyeball from the side. So let me draw another shape here. Do we have a good shape we can use? Let me see. Okay, try this guy. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's say you have brown eyes. Like me. I have brown eyes. Okay, there we go. So this is like the iris of your eye, right? Not the white parts of your eye. So we're looking at the eye from the side view, like this view, right? The light is coming into my eye this way, right? The light here is going into this way. So let's get out my old arrow tool here. Go like this. And let's make our line a little big here. Okay. And let's make our line yellow. Okay, cool. So this line represents light. Okay, the light is going into your eyeball. And on the back of your eye here, you have another thing. As this thing is called your retina. Okay, here is your retina. And your retina is like the part of the eyeball that collects the light and turns it into signals, nerve signals, sends it to your brain. Your brain decodes the light and makes a picture, right? So the light goes into your eye, right? And it hits this retina. Okay? Now, your vision will go bad. There's many different reasons for your vision going bad, but the prime culprits is the shape of your eye will change. So what happens is, like, if your eye gets a little flat like this, then what happens is as the light comes into your eye, it kind of like doesn't hit the back of the retina perfectly. So things get a little out of focus. Maybe your retina, maybe the eyeball moves back a little bit more. And so if this is the perfect line of focus right here, and the retina is back here, then it is getting the line, the eye is not, it's basically a little bit be out of focus then, right? Same thing over here. If this is the perfect line of focus and the eyeball gets squished up this way, then that also will cause bad vision. So what happens is when we put our eye up to a little hole. Okay, so how do glasses fix this? So glasses, what they do is they change the shape of the light coming in. They make it so that it bends the light so that the light comes in at a different angle so that it strikes your retina at the perfect focal spot, and then you can see better. Okay, so you have a lens here, and this lens will change the shape of the light going into your eye so that it lines up right on your retina and then you can see well. Okay, that's how corrective lenses like contacts or glasses help you see better. Now, what this does, it kind of works like this focal, it doesn't change the shape of the light though. What it does though is if we have this, let's see, move our glasses out of the way. If we have a like a piece of cardboard here, okay, and it has a hole, what happens is instead of this big fat arrow, right, of light coming into your eye, so here is the light coming in, we get less light coming through. So the hole takes a little bigger so we can see. There you go. So a lot of light comes and gets blocked by the cardboard, but a tiny little bit of it shoots through, and it goes. And then what happens because of that? Instead of your retina having to figure out what's going on here, oh my goodness, all this light, there is less light, so there's less kind of like noise that hits your retina. It's a finer point, and that less noise, finer point lets your retina be able to decode, send the better signals to your brain, and your brain can put them together better. There's less noise. There's less out of focus light hitting your retina. More just single focus light, one point. So that is why this works. It's super neat. I think that is a great thing. So if you're ever like me and you are like, oh my goodness, I have run out of contacts, or I have misplaced my glasses and I can't find them. That's a tough thing. If you are like me and you are so unable to see that if you put your glasses down somewhere and then you forget where you put them, you have a hard time finding them, because how can you find them if you can't see anything? What you can do is you can poke a hole in something real, like a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard, something you have around handy, and you can look around and be like, oh, there are my glasses. So that's really cool. And also, the more light that you do it in, the better it will be. Like I'm inside right now and it kind of helps, but if I go outside or look at my window but there's a lot of light that gets through this tiny hole, it'll be like really laser focused in on my retina and help me see better. Okay? All right, guys, that is our quick little pirate science lesson for today. You know, we did a lot of light and waves the best we could this year, you know. So it's been great hanging out with you in Pirate Science. I will see you at 1 o'clock for Answer Plays Minecraft. It's going to be jolly. Come check it out. Okay, guys. I'll see you 1 o'clock. Bye.